In this video, you will learn how to create a MoonPay account. This process involves a series of steps that will help you navigate the MoonPay website and set up your account successfully. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Google search engine by typing www.google.com in the address bar and pressing the enter key. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can begin your search. Next, type MoonPay into the search box and press enter. This action will display a list of search results related to MoonPay website link, which should be among the top results, indicating its relevance. Once the search results load, click on the link that corresponds to the official MoonPay website. The site will load, and you should see options for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. This is where you will begin the account creation process. After that, locate and click on the button labeled Get Started. This button is typically prominent on the home page and will direct you to the account registration page. Wait for the next screen to fully load before proceeding. On the registration page, you may see options to either click on settings or to continue with Bitcoin. Choose one of these options to proceed. This selection will lead you to the next step in the registration. At this point, you should see a message welcoming you to MoonPay. This indicates that you are on the right track. Look for any prompts that may guide you to sign in for a more personalized experience. Click on the sign in button when prompted. This action will take you to the sign in page where you can enter your account details. If you are not already registered, you will need to create a new account instead. If you see a message indicating to sign in with MoonPay, follow the on-screen instructions. This may involve entering your email address and setting a password. Ensure that your email is valid as it will be used for verification. After entering your email, click on the continue button. This will submit your email for the next steps in the registration process. Wait for any confirmation messages to appear. Next, you should receive a message prompting you to check your email for a verification code. This code is essential for confirming your account and ensuring security. Now, go to your email service provider, such as Gmail, log into your email account and look for the verification code email from MoonPay. Check your inbox for this email. Once you find the email, copy the verification code provided. This is a 6-digit code that you will need to return to the MoonPay website. Return to the MoonPay verification page and page the copy code into the designated field. This step is crucial for verifying your email address, and after pasting the code, you may see a message indicating that your email is being verified. At this point, wait for the system to process your information. Once verification is successful, you will see a message stating that your account is being set up. This process may take a moment, so remain patient while the system finalizes everything. Finally, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account is ready to use. You can now explore the features of your new MoonPay account and start managing your cryptocurrency transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.